Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the SereneLife SLPAC8 portable air conditioner. I've been looking through the internet and analyzing its specifications, features, and overall value. And if you're searching for a compact portable air conditioner that can cool smaller rooms while also functioning as a fan and dehumidifier, the SLPAC8 is a practical all-in-one solution. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. One of the biggest advantages of this unit is its 8,000 BTU cooling capacity, making it suitable for bedrooms, apartments, home offices, dorm rooms, or other compact living spaces. It quickly brings room temperatures down while maintaining a comfortable environment during hot summer days. This isn't just an air conditioner. It also works as a dehumidifier and fan. The built-in dehumidifier helps remove excess moisture from the air, making the room feel cooler and more comfortable, while the fan mode keeps air circulating even when cooling isn't needed. The unit offers an adjustable temperature range from 64 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to easily find your preferred comfort level. Combined with 3 fan speed settings, you can customize airflow based on the weather or your personal preference. Another highlight is the dual motor design, which helps deliver fast and efficient cooling while maintaining consistent airflow throughout the room. Whether you're relaxing, sleeping, or working from home, the system is designed to cool your space quickly. Convenience is another strong point. The included remote control lets you adjust temperature, fan speed, and operating mode from across the room, so you don't have to get up every time you want to make changes. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included window exhaust kit. Most users can have the unit up and running in a short amount of time without requiring professional installation, making it ideal for renters or anyone looking for a portable cooling solution. Because it's portable, you can easily move the air conditioner between rooms whenever needed. Whether you want extra cooling in the bedroom at night or your office during the day, its compact design makes relocation simple. The clean, modern appearance also blends well into most home interiors without taking up excessive floor space, making it a practical choice for smaller living areas. After reviewing everything the SereneLife SLPAC8 offers, it's clear this portable AC focuses on convenience and versatility. The 8,000 BTU cooling performance, 3-in-1 operation, dual motor design, adjustable temperature settings, multiple fan speeds, remote control, and simple installation make it a solid option for everyday home cooling. So should you buy it? If you need an affordable portable air conditioner for a smaller room that also functions as a fan and dehumidifier while offering easy installation and user-friendly controls, then yes, I think the SereneLife SLPAC8 is a great choice. It delivers reliable cooling, added versatility, and excellent value for anyone looking to stay comfortable during warmer months. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.